I've rarely experienced body shaming directly, but I've been made out to be disgusting or a pig by more than one person. It used to really impact my self-image and make me upset and angry months later.
When I was in, say, year 9, some person ran up to me that was body shaming. She said that it wasn't a good thing and that I should stop because it affected her and their personal life. At the time, I thought it was funny. I was making fun of their height, what they look like, how much they weigh.
It took a long time sort of realizing that each part of me that I thought was horrid and noticeable wasn't as bad as I thought it was.
I had no concept in my mind that it was body shaming at the time. I felt ashamed about how I used to be and I regret every bit of it.
The amount of images that we see each day, certainly young people see each day through social media, I think it has heightened the issue and people are perhaps more aware of how other people look and how they in real life look in comparison. Young people are savvy, they do know that a lot of the pictures are touched up and changed. But despite that, there still does seem an increasing pressure to be a certain way and come over in a certain way. We come in all shapes and sizes, and we need to appreciate each person for their individuality.